Mr. Sunny just keeps bringing it. Here are more ideas that might be perfect for your next DIY. Maybe some inspiration for your next project. And the first, perfect for the season, an easy way to help you plant those stakes that hold a plant steady out in the field or a garden, or maybe something for a vine to grow up and wind around. You'll need some profile pipe, a bit of scrap metal, and some welding skills. Remember, safety first, but this handy little tool will grab the stake, and then with a little pedestal or step on it, you can drive it into the ground. Check that out. Simple as step down and it's done. Release and on to the next project. For that, a slim section of pipe is sliced down one side, and into that, a utility knife blade is fixed. A groove fitting the two of them, then created in a piece of wood. This will be the table surface, and across that table surface and across the razor's edge of that utility knife blade, material can be drawn, whether it's rubber, sandpaper, whatever you have around the shop, handy for cutting. Just decrease the distance between the nail and the blade for different sized strips. Got an old drill bit. Thinking of tossing it? Well, don't turn it into a handy new tool. On an angle grinder or some sandpaper, wear down the edge and use it to score and mark on future metalworking projects. Last up, an idea that's perfect if you work with a lot of sheet metal. Maybe you need to corrugate it, add some grooves to overlap when making a connection. Well, with some scrap metal, create yourself a plate like that and another piece or rod cut to the length that fits right inside. And you're going to turn this into a mount that sits inside of a vise. And you can simply lay the sheet metal underneath, lower the press, tighten it, and come out with a perfect groove every single time. And for that, some scrap metal, a couple of dowels that'll end up being the handle, and a few bolts. Another incredible, simple DIY that turns into an incredibly useful tool. There you can see how it works now. Time for a couple of bolts, nuts, and to lock it into place on the vise. Here comes that test sheet. Pressure applied, and a perfect bend. Checking for consistency, and these two pieces locked together, no problem.